Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a deck profile video for you. I just started playing Yu-Gi-Oh again. I started off with running a Gravekeeper's deck, but I wanted to do something different, so I chose Wind-Ups, which I hear is really good. I'm not very good at building decks, so if this deck isn't the way it should be, go ahead and comment. Let me know what I should do. I do plan on making improvements to the deck, but if you guys just let me know, give me your opinions, that'd be cool. Alright, let's get started. I'll go ahead and start with my main deck, and then I'll do my side deck. Right now I'm running one Wind-Up Rabbit, which I know I should run more. I'm gonna get more eventually, so I'm running one Wind-Up Knight. I'm running two Wind-Up Jugglers. I'm also running two Wind-Up Magicians, and then I'm also running three Wind-Up Soldiers. Alright, running two Wind-Up Dogs. Running two Wind-Up Warriors. And I'm running three Wind-Up Snails, obviously for its defense. And that is it for as far as the Wind-Up monsters. The other monsters that I'm running are two Cyber Dragon. I'm also running two Snowman Eater. I'm running two Effect Veiler. I'm also running one Sandgin and one Goblindenberg, which I know is a first for a Wind-Up deck. I haven't heard of anybody else using him, but I find this effect very useful. Alright, and that'll do it for the monsters. I'm going to go ahead and go through my traps. I'm running two Solemn Warning, which I know I should run another Solemn. I'm going to get one soon. I'm running three Zen March, two Zen Maelstroms, and three Overwind, which I kind of find that it slows it down a little, but right now it's working so far. I might take one out and replace it with one of the Solemns. I'm also running Mirror Force, Shadow Spell, one Evacuation Device, and one Fiendish Chain. That's it for my traps. I'm running three Wind-Up Factories, which I know is a staple for this deck. I'm also running two Zen Malfunctions. Not a lot of people run this, but I find it useful because it's kind of like a Monster Reborn, and since most of my monsters are Wind-Ups, it kind of comes in handy. I'm running two MSTs. I'm running one Heavy Storm, Pot of Duality, which I know I should run more. I might run more, so Pot of Avarice, Book of Moon, and Dark Hole. So those are the staples of the Magic cards. Alright, now I'm going to show you my side deck. It's not very big. I only have a few side deck monsters. I think I have about 6, which I plan on adding more. Running one Leviathan Dragon, running two Wind-Up Zen Masters, running 1 Gem Knight Pearl, running Tyrus, Keeper of Genesis, which I'm trying to get Adrius, Keeper of Armageddon, and then also running 1 number 39 Utopia, and that's it for my side deck. So that's my deck that I'm running right now, and I plan on making improvements, but if you guys have some suggestions, just let me know on suggestions of cards that I should take out and cards that I should leave in. Alright guys, talk to you later.